Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to another Gate.io account, the complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Gate.io app and log into your account. Once you're in, you land on the home page. Look to the bottom right corner and tap on the assets icon. Now you will see your balance at a few taps right below it and tap on transfer. Here select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then go to the transfer direction section. Choose to and select the destination account type, whether it's spot, perpetual futures, delivery futures, margin options, or payment account. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and hit transfer now. You'll be asked to fill in the recipient email or UID. Make sure double check all the information. To finish, enter your phone password or Google Authenticator code if enabled and confirm the transfer. Since it's all within Gate.io, the transfer is instant. Now, if you prefer use the withdraw method, go back to the assets page and tap on withdraw. Select USDT as your withdrawal coin, then pick your withdrawal method. Either send to an external address or to another Gate.io user via phone, email, or Gate ID. Choose your preferred method and fill in the necessary details. Enter the amount, double check everything, and tap send. The USDT will be sent to a specified address or user. And that is it. Now you know how to transfer USDT within Gate.io quickly and easily in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next one.